Ting gabi yung starting premiere, no? Team na team talaga.
Ako, I'm excited. I'm excited to see the reaction of the people who are gonna watch. And I'm excited to see myself for the first time in the big screen. It's my very, very first. Halo-halo.
Ano ba yung mga manunood ng pelikula mo? Ano yung sabihin mo yung feeling nila paglabas nila ng pelikula?
Ay, nako. Be able to sleep on it. Or maybe you won't be able to sleep at all.
Okay. So, ang dami mo nang hiling naman ngayon. May mga regalo ka na ba? For Marlo, for Jerome, for Elmo?
Secret. Joke lang, secret. Actually, sobrang weird ngayon mag-Christmas shopping. First, bibigyan ko sila ng gift.
Okay, and then plans for your career this year?
Alam ko na. Ito, Born for You is coming 2016.
May New Year's resolution mo this year?
Ako, I don't really have resolutions every year kasi even if I say na I'm gonna die, hindi ko na nangyayari. So, I'm just gonna say na I hope I keep growing as an actress. Yun lang yung resolution.
So, nakagawa ka na ng horror movie. Sa tingin mo ba, gusto mo tuloy-tuloy sa horror? Or gusto mo, ano yung gusto mo try?
I wanna try different genres.